Next thing, this is advanced part 2. We're going to deal with something called grinding. It's cool looking. Involves getting the yo-yo to land on your body itself, get it to spin on your body. So lots of different moves. We're going to teach you a bunch of variations as we go through it. It's really good to have a yo-yo that has some metal to it. I can grind pretty well with plastic yo-yos too, but the metal really helps the length of the grind, the duration, helps the overall spin of the yo-yo itself. Helps cut down the friction too. You want a really, really strong throw. When I throw, I snap my yo-yo as hard as I can to get it to really go. It's really important because the faster it's going, the longer it's going to grow and it's going to look better. So this is what a grind looks like. I throw it and I pop it up and let's go. It's kind of like walking the dog right across your arm. Let me show you that again. Looks like this. It's a cool looking trick. A good way to start practicing this move is throw a really strong trapeze. Take your throw hand, and your non-throw hand just kind of guides it onto the hand like that. Try and point your hand a little bit sideways. There's actually, you want your arm to point like this. You can kind of feel there's like a little bone that goes up through here. And it's a really good place to help guide the yo-yo up. If the yo-yo will sit, it will just fly right up your arm like that. So land it on there. When you first start, just try and get the yo-yo to hit it and shoot straight across. It's still pretty impressive if you can just get it to go right across. It kind of looks like it's walking a dog across your arm. You can also try tilting your arm down a little bit lower. This will get it to stall a little bit more. It will kind of go back and forth in your arm. Again, the harder you throw, the better this is going to work. Eventually, with a little practice, you can give it a good hard throw and pop the yo-yo up and land it onto your hand like that and get it to walk across. That's my favorite way to do it. I think it looks really cool, looks really impressive. Really strong throw, get the shoot across your hand, and then come back and catch. And that's grinding.